So I'm starting this meeting recording so that it will be uploaded in YouTube. So
Okay.
are you having access for the previous recordings?
Previous recordings.
You should have received an email.
No, sir.
Can you please check? Check it from YouTube.
ఎక్కడ చెక్ చేయమంటారు?
You can check it in the email that you have given me for registration.
This is please.
Check in YouTube once. Yeah. So sent a video, day one.
Okay, sir.
So that's accessible only to you. Change the user on top. Yeah. Switch account, or you can also. Yeah. Now please go and open in YouTube. Go to YouTube. Yeah. Change here. Switch account. Switch account. Here at the bottom you have switch account. Below YouTube Studio. So you can change it. Other accounts. Yeah. Click on the name, not on the email. Click on the name. Switch account. Click on name. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So you'll be access. The video will be accessible only for this email ID.
Okay, sir. Yeah, I will check from today onwards. Thank you.
Yeah. Great. Let's check if task capture is downloaded or not. So Swapna, can I add you in any LinkedIn post if I create anything?
Yes, sir.
Or
No, yes. Yeah.
it will not be any problem, right?
No, I don't have it.
What's your LinkedIn email ID?
But that is not up to date, sir. I will update it. Mine is actually Swapna Velanki.
So there are two profiles, Swapna Velanki and Swapna Velanki, independent computer networking professional.
No, the another one.
Okay. Be active on LinkedIn because that's where you will get many opportunities.
Okay, sir. Yeah, I will update it.
Also open team notes that I have shared yesterday.
Okay, sir. Yeah, I have opened.
Okay, so go to the first use case that we want to work on. That's with calculator.
Yeah,
Calculate sum of two numbers using calculator app. Okay. So what if the sum should not be for two numbers, but it can be for more than two numbers? For example, I can give you a list of 4 to 5 numbers, and but you should give me the result as a sum. Okay. Then how can you do that?
sorry, sir, I did not follow you. Can you repeat again?
So I said you sum of two numbers.
Okay.
I can give you
Hmm.
sum of more than two numbers or sum of only one number, or I can add um, 1 and A and B and 3. Okay, then what will you do?
Suppose input might be one.
Yes.
Sometimes it might be one parameter. Sometimes it might be two parameters. Sometimes it
Yes.
might be three parameters.
So there can be n parameters, and there is no requirement that everything should be an integer.
Okay. Then first I will check whether input parameter is integer or not.
Excellent. But how, what you did not ask me about, what is the input type?
Okay.
How can I send multiple values? Am I going to, should I send it in an Excel, or should I send it in any list format? How can I send it? Okay, can you go back to our Teams, and I'm updating the notes, just check it out. So what I'm trying to do here is I will try to say that input will be a data table. So, and in this data table, all the inputs will be in list of items, or I can say that each and every column I have some data. Each column I have an input. Okay. So after each and every column, I have an input. Like for example, if there are 4 columns, A, B, C, then I will have the input like 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the result should be updated at the last column.
Okay.
So understand that this is not any calculator use case, but this is a business use case. Like there is an application where you need to add some input and where you need to extract some values. Okay. One of the business rule. So if the input is any text, or if the input is a other than integer, if the input is other than integer, what we need to do?
We need to throw exception.
Excellent. And that is a business exception.
Yes.
PRE stating that invalid input.
Yes.
Okay. So will you check with invalid input before before starting the execution or after starting the execution?
Before starting the execution.
Okay, I would like to know how we will do that. But yes, this also should be done in RE framework.
Okay.
Okay, so the entire process must be completed in RE framework. Next, what else do we need? So we'll continue and we will see as we improve the use case, we will see if there is any exception. Okay, if there is a system exception, then restart flow. Okay, and at the end, send an email with output to Vajrangat output. So how many things are we covering? We are covering desktop automation, we are covering validation, we are covering data table, and we will also be using orchestrator.
Okay.
Transaction item must be a 2 item. Okay, so all these options we need to cover. Can we start?
Yes.
Okay, so let's discuss first about the use case and confirm that we understood all the use case details, then we'll continue.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, So what is the first option? First thing, can you explain me the use case?
Input will be in a data table format.
Input will be a data table format. Okay.
Then result should be updated at last column. So this point I am not clear. Result should be updated at last column means.
For example, but the result should be updated at the end of the table.
Okay. If the input is other than integer, then throw business rule exception. If there is a system exception, then restart the flow. Okay. Send an email with output to this email ID. Transaction item must be a queue item. Okay. So first we need to start from, we need to capture the input data.
Exactly. So before that, can we go into task capture and complete the PDD fast?
Okay. So why it is still loading? I'm not getting.
I think you didn't install it. Can you please start, close and start again? No, it should be installed already. So
Okay.
check in programs. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Can I close these pop-ups?
Yeah, yeah, you can.
Okay. New document. Okay. Build diagram or capture
So
process.
there are two options available for us: build a diagram and capture a process.
Okay.
So let's capture a process because we need to have screenshots of how we need to work.
Okay.
It's already 8:45. I'll take 10 minutes extra today if it is okay for you.
Yeah, that is fine. Can I click on start capture? Is this fine, sir? I'm not aware of this.
That's fine.
Then what else I have?
I think you can click on stop. So open the first sequence. Let's see what do we have. So here, detect and merge same screen actions. It just says that there is an option that's available. If there are some same screen actions, then it can merge in single item. You can click on detect. Okay, there is nothing to merge. You can just close and you can continue. Open calculator. Yeah, on the right side you can see, right?
First
In
it
the
is
title and add description, you can just add click first number, click second number, click plus. In the description you can add.
yes.
Click plus. Instead of giving input to, give it as input n, because there it can be nth input as well.
I am not able to scroll. No.
Use down arrow. Yeah, you can click on black to diagram. On the left side, you have back to the, yeah, okay. Get the sum. Okay, and then you can click on back to diagram on the left side. Yeah. So yesterday I have created a poll asking, can you please open the link that I'll share with you? Copy link to the post, and I've shared a link in the chat. Can you please open?
Yes.
Okay. So can you just log into LinkedIn so that you can see all the options?
I forgot my user ID and password also for LinkedIn. I'm not using from long time.
Yeah, you need to start. You can start it using your Gmail ID. On the right side, there is a LinkedIn with Gmail, right?
Yes.
Continuous open. Mm,
That is correct way.
Fourth one. I'm not sure. Fourth one.
Pick the image that is correct way. Up and down.
And this is first one. Yeah, second one. And then fourth one. Okay, and just can you please reset the password once? Use same email ID for everything. First one. Yeah, you can click on got it, and then you can continue. Okay, let's discuss on this question as well, and then we'll continue. Okay, can you go to the top?
Top.
Just click on close button on the right side.
Okay.
Yeah, and then see what's the question. Can you answer this question? What options
Yes.
does UiPath Task Capture provide?
PDD creation.
Mhm.
Mm, yes, sir. Only this one. PDD creation. We use task capture for PDD only.
Other than that, we don't have anything. So 81% gave that PDD creation is the only activity that we do with task capture. So actually, that's wrong. I will also tell you the reason. Can you go back to task capture once? Can you click on file? Okay. So first thing you can do is you can obviously save it as click on export. You can export it as a Word document, that is PDD.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Click on PDD and hit on OK. Next. So you can just click on export and things will be created for you.
Yes.
Okay. You can open the file. So this is the PDD that you have received.
Okay, sir.
Can you go to as is process map where you can see all the images as is?
This one, sir, as is process descriptions.
Scroll down. No, just scroll down.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now can you see
Yes, sir.
all the pictures are available? Now can you go back to task capture?
Okay.
Click on file and export. Studio.xml. Yes. And then hit on OK.
Sir, XML I heard, but XAML I never heard. What is mean?
XAML is markup language for Studio.
Okay.
It's not data. It's design tags. So the first one that we did is we created a PDD. Second one is we created UiPath code actually. So whatever we have recorded, that will be converted into a code.
Okay.
Okay, let's continue. Hit on open file. Okay, let's continue. Meanwhile, what we can do is we can go back to our task capture studio and hit on export again. and image, yes, and then hit on OK. This is missing, but there are workflow activities that are not coming in. You can do it later, but what we can see is the XML file or the code file is also getting generated. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah, it is open.
Now,
Mm.
now can you go back to, so if you update the packages, things will come up without any issues. So open the diagram as well. So now we have the flow chart as well.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
So,
So can you go back? So what is the correct answer?
flowchart, PDD, UiPath code generate, code creation.
Exactly.
Yeah.
All. So the correct answer should be other, and you can mention as all the answers are correct, but none of them have mentioned because this is what we think that task capture is only for PDD creation, but actually using task capture we can do much more than PDD creation.
All options are
Correct. Excellent, Swapna. Nice. Now, did you understand?
yes,
So
sir.
I'll be posting questions. So regularly try to answer them.
Okay, sure.
Great. Okay, let's go back to the code so that we can complete the code.
Means task capture or
You can go with UiPath. So
okay.
now we have PDD. Can you please open the PDD once? PDD on the Word document. Okay, since you have already closed it, leave it for now. Okay, it's there. Great. So process overview, task applications used we have. So we can see like what is the click that happened and how many times did we need to, what is the process flow, everything we have in detail.
Yes.
Okay, but for now, what we can do is let's go ahead and create an array framework project and link it with um, orchestrator. Okay, so I have also created a input file for you in the Teams channel. Can you please download the input file? Go to Teams. Okay, and then hit on files. Yes, week one. Yeah, input file. That's what you need to take. Download it. I think you again downloaded Teams. You
Okay,
can
okay.
cancel
One
that.
second. No, not this one.
Yeah, click on
Oh,
file and download. File. Yep. Click on the file. Save as. Save as.
file. Save as. I'm not able to see.
Click on the three dots.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, save as. Download a copy. You need to download it to your local. Okay. Let's go ahead and create a project in UiPath. Start home. No, you need to start it from home because you're creating a new project. You're not creating a new file. And yes, click robotic process automation. Yes,
Can I?
yes, please use template. So you can write it as week one calculator. Okay. So if you see on the project structure in the left side, open project on the left, project. Um, did we select RE framework?
Yes, sir. I've selected RE.
Uh,
Okay, I will go home. Okay,
yes,
use template.
yes. Yeah, this should be the correct option. Just add V1. So what it's doing is it's downloading all the there are already files in our local machine. So it's just making a copy and getting things ready for us.
Okay, it's downloading all metadata.
Swapna, can you send me a friend request in LinkedIn? I can tag you. LinkedIn.
Yes. Okay.
Last, click on open my profile and then you can click on follow. Okay, there is no follow link. Go to the top. Yeah, click on more. We are all okay. You need to confirm your link. Go to email and confirm. I think that's restricting you to do any activity. Go to your email ID and confirm your, yeah, to email. Yes. No. Can you check in LinkedIn? Let's see what options do we have. LinkedIn. Yeah. Go to the top. B. Vajrang B. Yeah. Okay, I think I have crossed more than 5,000 members. Cool. Can you open the link that I have sent you? The chat. Meanwhile, please check if the code is available or not.
Yes, UiPath. Yeah, I will click on follow. Yes, I just clicked on follow button. Sir, are you there?
Sorry, I'm talking on mute. Okay, so click on request a new confirmation link on the
Yes,
top.
yes. Yes, I just clicked. So for that, I need to go to my inbox.
Did you click on new confirmation link? You need to
Yes. Yes, I
can you
clicked it.
do that once again? Yeah. Okay, recent verification link. Recent verification. Yes, now you can check. Add in the password and then continue. I think you can skip for now, or you can add this one. Yeah. I think that's fine. You can just reply or complete the form, that poll. Click on the poll that I have given you, poll link.
Where I can see.
I've sent you a message. Yes. Now complete the poll. Click. You answered it, right? You can answer it again. Click on again. Yes. So you're the only person who did it correctly.
Okay.
You can answer saying that all items are correct.
Yes, sir.
Great. Go to UiPath.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So on the left side, you can see the folder structure with framework. If you open framework, click on framework.
Priyanka. Sir, give me 1 second, sir.
No problem.
Hey, Neha.
Can you please unmute? Unmuted you. Yeah.
Yes, sir, I'm able to see. In the framework, I can see all the init method, kill, retry, set transaction, take screenshot,
Okay.
close our application.
Yeah. So one thing that I would like to give you is there is a input file that you have downloaded, right?
Yes, sir.
So take it after this session. So all I want you to do is add that input file in the data folder.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Read it and add all the values. Sorry. add all the rows into orchestrator as queues. Did you work with queues earlier?
No, sir. This is my. I'm very new to this.
Okay, so check online. Tomorrow anyhow we'll complete that, but I want you to at least try how to
Uh,
do that.
Sir, I will try. What I need to do? Can you tell me once again? I have input
Okay,
file.
so you need to read input file.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the input file that you have downloaded from the Teams channel,
Mm-hmm.
place it in the input folder, and
Okay.
then read the input file and add items to orchestrator. Add, create an orchestrator, and
Mm.
or you can say that you can create a new queue and add the values to the queue.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so
Yeah.
take that as a work that you need to complete. So
Mhm.
tomorrow, since we'll have everyone, we can go ahead and we can create the queue and we can complete the project.
Okay, sure, sir. Thank you.
Okay, but did
Yeah.
you understand task capture? How are we using task capture and why are we using task capture?
Yeah, I understood, sir.
Excellent. Okay, Swapna, that's it for today. Do you have any questions? If you have any questions, we can take it up or else we can close for the
I'm
call.
good with this. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye.
Have a great day.